The universe is full of mysteries, black holes, distant galaxies, and the very origins of life itself. But here on Earth, a different kind of mystery has captured the imagination of some of the world's brightest minds. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. AGI represents the ability of a machine to understand, learn, and perform any intellectual task that a human being can. It is a goal that has long been considered the holy grail of artificial intelligence research. François Chollet is one of those brilliant minds seeking answers in the vast landscape of AI. He is well known for creating Keras, a popular open-source software library that makes it easier for developers to build and experiment with machine learning models. Chollet's work at Google pushed the boundaries of artificial intelligence, yet he yearned for something more, a path towards true AGI. This desire led Chollet to leave Google and embark on a bold new venture, Ndea. Co-founded with Knoop, former head of AI at Zapier, Ndea is a startup with a singular focus on developing AGI through a unique approach known as program synthesis. Their vision is to create AI systems that can learn and adapt as efficiently as humans, ultimately leading to a future where machines can work alongside us to solve some of the world's most challenging problems. This is no small task, but Chollet and Knoop believe that program synthesis holds the key to unlocking AGI's immense potential. Their journey is just beginning, but the implications of their work could be profound. In the realm of artificial intelligence, there are many paths, each with its own set of promises and pitfalls. Traditional machine learning, while powerful, often requires massive amounts of data and struggles to generalize to new situations. It is like teaching a child to recognize a cat by showing them thousands of pictures of cats, but never explaining what makes a cat a cat. Program synthesis takes a fundamentally different approach. Instead of relying on brute force data analysis, program synthesis aims to teach machines to think more like humans do, by understanding and manipulating abstract concepts. Imagine giving that same child a set of building blocks and showing them how to put them together to form the shape of a cat. This is the essence of program synthesis. It is about teaching machines to build mental models of the world, allowing them to solve problems they have never encountered before. It is about moving beyond simple pattern recognition and into the realm of true understanding and reasoning. This approach, however, is not without its challenges. Program synthesis is computationally intensive, requiring significant processing power to sift through vast possibilities and find elegant solutions. But Chollet and his team at Ndea are undeterred. They believe that the potential rewards far outweigh the risks. The quest for AGI is not a solitary pursuit. Tech giants like Google and OpenAI have poured billions of dollars into developing ever more powerful AI systems. These companies often focus on scaling up existing deep learning techniques, using vast datasets and computational resources to train models that excel in specific domains. While impressive, these approaches often fall short of achieving true general intelligence. Ndea stands apart from these giants in its focused approach and commitment to program synthesis. While other companies may dabble in program synthesis research, Ndea has made it their core mission. They are assembling a team of the world's leading experts in the field, united by a shared belief in the power of program synthesis to unlock AGI. This laser focus allows Ndea to move quickly and nimbly, unburdened by the bureaucracy and competing priorities that often plague larger organizations. Their lean structure also allows them to attract top talent with the promise of making a real difference in the field of AI. Ndea's success is by no means guaranteed. The challenges of developing AGI are immense, and even the most brilliant minds may stumble along the way. But their unique approach, coupled with their unwavering dedication, makes Ndea a company to watch in the exciting race towards artificial general intelligence. The implications of Ndea's work extend far beyond the walls of their startup. If successful, their research could revolutionize countless industries, from healthcare and transportation to education and scientific discovery. Imagine a world where AI assistants can not only understand our needs, but also anticipate them, proactively offering solutions to problems we haven't even considered yet. The potential benefits of AGI are vast, but so too are the potential risks. Ensuring that these powerful new technologies are developed responsibly and ethically is crucial. Chollet himself has been vocal about the need for careful consideration of the societal impact of AGI, advocating for transparency and collaboration within the AI research community. The future of AI is unwritten, a tapestry woven from the threads of countless research projects, bold ideas, and tireless efforts. Ndea, with its unique approach and unwavering dedication to program synthesis, is poised to make its mark on this tapestry. Whether or not they succeed in their ultimate goal of developing AGI remains to be seen. But one thing is certain: the quest itself will undoubtedly lead to remarkable breakthroughs in our understanding of intelligence, both artificial and our own. And that in itself is a journey worth taking.